Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Kombi Highline. This vehicle comes with a 2-litre bi-turbo diesel engine pushing out 204 PS. The vehicle also comes with a DSG automatic gearbox. This example is finished in the metallic paint colour Ravenna blue, and across the front of the vehicle it features LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. The vehicle also comes with a body colour coordinated front bumper complete with front parking sensors as well as front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below, the Kombi sits on the 17-inch Devonport alloy wheels which come in a 5-spoke star design, and towards the rear of the vehicle it comes with a tailgate with a heated rear window. The vehicle also benefits from having a rear view reversing camera located just above the rear number plate, as well as a set of rear parking sensors. Taking a look behind the tailgate and into the load area or boot space of this vehicle, it comes with a few lashing rings dotted throughout the floor, as well as having a rubber floor covering. For easier access, the tailgate is electric with key fob operation. Behind the twin power sliding doors there is a 3-seater passenger bench in a split 2-to-1 configuration. Up front we have some more of the bricks woven fabric upholstery seats. Both singular seats have 2 armrests apiece, allowing for plenty of leg space for all passengers. In the centre of the dash there is an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This touchscreen has a list of useful features, including access to your favourite FM and DAB radio stations. Users can also opt to use the App Connect feature with your smartphone device, which allows you to connect with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Included in this is a very smart navigation system that also includes 3D maps. This system will also house the rear view camera feed once the reverse gear has been selected, as well as displaying the coloured Park Pilot display, useful for navigating tricky situations. Located just beneath the touchscreen are the climate controls for this vehicle. The van comes with 2 front heated seats as well as climatic air conditioning. To the left are some of the controls for park assist as well as operating the rear power sliding doors, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel for a more unique and customizable driving experience. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.